147 for a patient that fell from a height. D90 to 12 and 47, 92. E210, 12 and 47, 210.
Hello, can you hear me? P92 to airspace. Be advised, I have a maintenance one. He's fell approximately 2 flights and he's back. Units in a bus on a code 1.
B74, back it up, 12 and 47. Any medics for 12 and 47 for a patient that fell from a height? B209, 12 and 47, 209. Any units for a B-bus for 12 and 47? Any backup medics for 12 and 47? B242, Hatzolah bus. Medics heading into 12 and 47, you're being requested on a rush. H-base Pong D09. Lutheran has been notified.
Oi, probeer weer gelost de moment.
Hallo Zaidi, wie fühlst du?
Baruch Hashem, מה השלום עליהם?
Ich kaufe ein bisschen Lebens und Seltzer.
Oh, sehr fein. Zug, was hast du gelernt, Hand?
Dieselbe Sache sind so gelernt Nächten und haben Chasura der Woche. Zaidi, ich hatte gewollt sagen, ich kann nicht kommen morgen. Ich kann beginnen.
So wem geht der Tate schicken, Herrschi?
Stumme, ja.
Aber noch dem ist die Zieh kommen.
Ja, warte.
Sehr fein. Warte.
Yeah, sorry. No, I'm not available today. I've been waiting for this meeting for the past 4 or 5 months. Okay. No, I don't know the banker personally. What's his name? Finch? James? James Finch? No. Okay, I gotta go. Talk to you soon.
Hello, Zaidi.
Zaidi! Hershey! Hershey! Zaidi! Hershey! Zaidi!
Zaidi! Zaidi! Zaidi! Zaidi! Zaidi! Zaidi! 718-387. Oh,
Any units 1, 3, and 4, 4 for a 65-year-old unresponsive.
Hello? You ready? You okay?
Any backup
Hello?
units for 1, 3, and 4, 4.
B92 dangerous code 1.
B97, 1, 3, and 4, 4, 97.
Take the feet.
Let me add the lights.
Put it on the floor.
Any medics for 1, 3, and 4, 4 for a 65-year-old unresponsive. Any units for a B-bus for 1, 3, and 4, 4.
Clear. Shock.
Okay there?
Yeah, I'm fine.
Sure?
Yeah.
All kind of things. So, thank you, Doc. Again.
You're very welcome. And thanks again for that basket of chocolates. It's gonna put a few pounds on me, but
Well, that's the least I can do for you, Doc. Thank you.
How's your soup?
Oh, it's very tasty. How about,
That is-
how about your steak?
Not as tasty as your soup, I'm sure. Joseph, don't get too excited. But I can say that you've been part of my success.
James. James. Come on. For you, anything. James, these guys save lives.
Shia Shimonovich.
James Finch.
James?
Sheminovitz. What is it you do?
I'm a real estate broker.
You know him?
Yes, yes. You wanted me to invest in one of his properties.
Wow, this is a small world. Are we partners?
Absolutely not. He didn't show up for a very important meeting. I waited for an hour.
I'm sorry, sir.
Call me James.
Let me explain. I was fully prepared for this meeting, and I was parked right here 20 minutes before the meeting.
NEB units 1, 3, and 4, child asthmatic difficulty breathing. B92, 1, 3, and 4.
HBase, I have a child severe asthma attack. ETA, my backup.
NEB units 1, 3, and 4, child asthmatic difficulty breathing.
B99, a few blocks out.
B99, a few blocks out, 1, 3, and 4, 99. Any units for B bus, 1, 3, and 4. B254, head to a bus.
92 to HBase, medics on a code 1. I have a child in arrest.
Any medics for 1, 3, and 4 for child asthmatic difficulty breathing. B97 with your equipment, 1, 3, and 4. Any backup medics for 1, 3, and 4. B218, 1, 3, and 4. B92, go ahead with your message. Any units for the thumper? 486, pick up the thumper, head to 1, 3, and 4, 486.
Everybody clear. I'm clear. You're clear. We're all clear. Shaq. CPR. Continue CPR. Everybody stay clear. Everybody stay clear. We're all clear. Shaq.
Thank God we saved this child's life.
I'm very, very sorry. But this was a deal of a lifetime. I don't know how anybody could pass it by. Tell you what, the next time a deal like this comes, you give me a call. I'm all in.
That means a lot to me.
Here's my cell number.
Any B units for 18 and 58 for a 3-year-old not acting right?
B92.
B92, 18 and 58, 92.
Go do your thing.